Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see प्राथमिक अनुवाद अभ्यास lesson 7 हिंदी में अनुवाद कीजिए. We have the sentences in English. Otherwise you will have the sentences in respective regional languages. We have to write these sentences in Hindi. First question, that child wants a ball. Ball means गेंद we say in Hindi. Wants means चाहता है. Child means बच्चा. That means वह. So now we will form the sentence. वह बच्चा गेंद चाहता है. वह बच्चा गेंद चाहता है. That child wants a ball. वह बच्चा गेंद चाहता है. Next question, second one. The workman wants work. Work means काम in Hindi. Wants means चाहता है. चाहता and it is present tense, so we'll use है at the end. The word workman is मजदूर in Hindi. Workman means मजदूर in Hindi. The workman wants work. मजदूर काम चाहता है. The workman wants work. मजदूर काम चाहता है. The workman wants work. मजदूर काम चाहता है. We want holiday today. We want holiday today. We means हम. Today means आज. Holiday is छुट्टी. We is plural, so चाहता और चाहती will become चाहते. It is plural. So want means here चाहते हैं. है will become है. हम आज छुट्टी चाहते हैं. We want holiday today. हम आज छुट्टी चाहते हैं. हम आज छुट्टी चाहते हैं. We want holiday today. हम आज छुट्टी चाहते हैं. We want holiday today. हम आज छुट्टी चाहते हैं. Fourth question. The cat wants milk. Cat means बिल्ली. Want means चाहती. Cat is female in Hindi. So बिल्ली is female. So we'll write चाहती. Milk means दूध. So the cat wants milk. बिल्ली दूध चाहती है. The cat wants milk. बिल्ली दूध चाहती है. The cat wants milk. बिल्ली दूध चाहती है. Fifth question. I wanted to buy a mirror. Mirror means आईना in Hindi. I means मैंने. Mirror means आईना. Year means एक, one. So it is एक. Buy means खरीदना. And चाहता will become चाहा. मैंने means it will become चाहा या चाही. So मैंने एक आईना खरीदना चाहा. मैंने एक आईना खरीदना चाहा. I wanted to buy a mirror. मैंने एक आईना खरीदना चाहा. I wanted to buy a mirror. मैंने एक आईना खरीदना चाहा. Hope you would have understood. Next, sixth question. I want to see Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal will remain the same. I means मैं, it will come. Whenever मैं comes, whom will come at the end. Whom. Okay. Whom. मैं if it comes, generally at the end we'll have who. Taj Mahal will remain the same. See means देखना in Hindi. Okay. Want means चाहता. मैं, now will form the sentence. मैं ताजमहल देखना चाहता हूँ. मैं ताजमहल देखना चाहता हूँ। I want to see ताजमहल। मैं ताजमहल देखना चाहता हूँ। Seventh question. He wants to buy an umbrella. He means वह। So he is male, so will have चाहता है at the end present tense. Male present tense. Buy means खरीदना. So umbrella means छतरी. So we'll form the sentence now. वह एक छतरी खरीदना चाहता है। He wants to buy an umbrella. वह एक छतरी खरीदना चाहता है। He wants to buy an umbrella. वह एक छतरी खरीदना चाहता है। He wants to buy an umbrella. वह एक छतरी खरीदना चाहता है। Next question, eighth question. My sister also wants to learn Hindi. My sister मेरी बहन. Also means be. Hindi will remain the same. Learn means सीखना. बहन is female, so चाहता will become चाहती here in this sentence. मेरी बहन भी हिंदी सीखना चाहती है। मेरी बहन भी हिंदी सीखना चाहती है। My sister also wants to learn Hindi. मेरी बहन भी हिंदी सीखना चाहती है। My sister also wants to learn Hindi. मेरी बहन भी हिंदी सीखना चाहती है। My sister also wants to learn Hindi. मेरी बहन भी हिंदी सीखना चाहती है। So ninth question. We'll go to ninth question. We wish to serve the country. We means हम. Country means देश. Serve means सेवा. सेवा करना. We means it is plural. So चाहते will come and है in present tense will become है. So now we'll form the sentence. हम देश की सेवा करना चाहते हैं। We wish to serve the country. हम देश की सेवा करना चाहते हैं। We wish to serve the country. हम देश की सेवा करना चाहते हैं। We wish to serve the country. हम देश की सेवा करना चाहते हैं। 10th question. She wanted to speak in Hindi in the meeting. So she wanted to, she means उसने, meeting means सभा. Hindi will remain same. Speak is बोलना. So now we will form the sentence. उसने सभा में हिंदी में बोलना चाहा। उसने सभा में हिंदी में बोलना चाहा। She wanted to speak in Hindi in the meeting. उसने सभा में हिंदी में बोलना चाहा। She wanted to speak in Hindi in the meeting. उसने सभा में हिंदी में बोलना चाहा। She wanted to speak in Hindi in the meeting. उसने सभा में हिंदी में बोलना चाहा। So we will see the sentences again. First one, that child wants a ball. वह बच्चा गेंद चाहता है। Second question, the workman wants work. मजदूर काम चाहता है। Third question, we want holiday today. हम आज छुट्टी चाहते हैं। Fourth question, the cat wants milk. बिल्ली दूध चाहती है। Fifth question, I wanted to buy a mirror. मैंने एक आईना खरीदना चाहा। Sixth question, I want to see Taj Mahal. मैं ताजमहल देखना चाहता हूँ. He wants to buy a umbrella. वह एक छतरी खरीदना चाहता है. Eighth question. My sister also wants to learn Hindi. मेरी बहन भी हिंदी सीखना चाहती है. Ninth question. We wish to serve the country. हम देश की सेवा करना चाहते हैं. Tenth question. She wanted to speak in Hindi in the meeting. उसने सभा में हिंदी में बोलना चाहा. So we have seen all the questions repeatedly. So you have to write it and practice it. Then it will be easy for you to write in Hindi. First you understand the sentences in your own language or in English. Then you try to translate in Hindi. Then you write it in Hindi and see. Then it will be easy for you. Hope you all understood. Thank you.